Okay, this is how to add external links, okay, on your YouTube channel. It can be linked to your social media accounts or links to your online store. First is to launch your Chrome web browser, any web browser of your choice. As the browser opens, visit studio.youtube.com. If you have been visiting YouTube Studio on this browser, you'll be logged in automatically. But if it's your first time, please log in with your Gmail address, email address, and password. So once you get to this page, get down to this section, to this left margin, and find customization. Look at customization, it comes after the end tab. Click on that. Once you're on this page, you scroll down again, all right, until you get to this section where you have links. All right, click on add link. Now you are taken to this place. You are given this option on clicking on that and give this a name. Maybe you want to add your Facebook account page. All right, Facebook page. You can call this Facebook. All right, but let's say this is Amazon store. I can call it Amazon store in this case. Amazon store or recommended books to buy. All right. Maybe you have been visiting Amazon and you find some books that align with what you create on your YouTube channel. So you can give it a name again. Okay, let me call this recommended books on Amazon. All right, so here is it recommended books on Amazon. So give it any name that aligns with the link you want to add here. So here, click here and type in the link, or you copy the link and paste here. And here I have pasted the link here. So after that, the next step you need to take is to hit publish. But if you want to add more link, click on add link again. Then maybe you added Facebook, you add TikTok, you add Instagram, and the rest. Okay, just any new link you want to add, click on this add link button. All right, and once you're done with what you want to do, click on publish. And once you see change is published, that means everything is done. So this link is now active on my account, all right, on my YouTube channel. So let's go and test and see how this looks like. I'll visit youtube.com. So once I'm here on YouTube, I'm logged in automatically. I'll click on this, my profile icon. Then I'll click view your channel. So once it shows me the number of videos, here it shows me the number of videos I have, and I can click on more, okay, and this displays the recommended books on Amazon. So if I click on this link, I'll be taken directly to Amazon. So let's try it out. And I'm taken to this author's page on Amazon. So what it means is that my viewers, when they get to my profile, they can get to these recommended books. They can buy this book from this author, all right, or buy this book from this author because it aligns with what I teach on my channel. If they want to know more, they can get this or click this way to get more if there are other products listed here. So that's that. I hope this helps. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot, mainly on tech and little touch of finance. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section and see you some other time.